legit. Anything you want.
Ripple's XRP instantly recovers. Latest opinions and news. The first 2 days of this week's market performance were going to be concluded in favor of XRP holders as the token's value going to declining since the 18th of October. With continuous attempts to overcome the $0.4640 mark but with no success, the pair was set to let sellers take gears downwards. However, things changed in just a couple of minutes. On the daily trading chart for the last 24 hours, XRP overcame the tanking trend and rocketed off upwards above the aforementioned hurdle very speedy. Correction will be due very soon as the $0.46400 level has been a reserved mark for many traders for weeks now. XRP latest even that there is a major difference between the coin XRP and the firm that created it, Ripple. The duo impact each other when one marks down development in the crypto industry of various sorts because of the existing confusion between the two. Relevant, Ripple's XRP community confusion with the firm actually working for the good, via their official Twitter handle, MoneyNet, and completely deployed decentralized payments on RippleNet. The UK-based trading and currency converting firm highlights that it will use the technology offered by Ripple's team to process foreign exchanging trades. Additionally, Sing, the very famous payment solution that Ripple's team has developed, via MoneyMatch, has declared that it has moved value money from Malaysia to Spain. Also read our take on why the SEC might end up delivering a favorable ruling on XRP, or playing the long game. Ripple's current efforts will greatly benefit XRP price in the near future. Per time of writing, XRP USD is changing hands at $0.4624 with 2.05% increase in the last 24 hours. Standing out positively is also Monero XMR with 3.59% gain for the last day.
Is XRP a security or not? Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse explains the daunting debate. The debate on whether Ripple is a security or not has been on for many months now. What's even worse is that the Security Exchange Commission, SEC, hasn't given its stance or a say on whether Ripple is a security or not. However, a recent talk, which involved Ripple's Chief Executive Officer Brad Garlinghouse and Michael Arrington, of Arrington Capital, was held at the TechCrunch's San Francisco Disrupt conference. The discussion was anchored by Mike Butcher, the editor of TechCrunch. The discussion was based on the Security Exchange Commission and a few other aspects. During the course of the discussion, Butcher asked Garlinghouse what the fate of Ripple will be if it was declared a security. The CEO replied, "Security is something that represents ownership in a company that gives you rights to dividends, give you rights to governance. Things like that. Ripple and XRP are two separate entities. When you buy XRP, that doesn't give you any rights to the profits or ownership of Ripple the company." Garlinghouse said that there are lots of fintech companies including banks that have adopted Ripple into their system and are even great investors. Additionally, Garlinghouse made it clear that there are no common grounds between Ripple and SEC, therefore, the false info concerning the debate or argument is a little bit weighty. Garlinghouse went on to say that if Ripple doesn't operate, XRP will keep functioning, a thing that the Ripple CEO has been saying again and again. It is important to add that the XRP token was handed over to the Ripple company by its creator as a utility token. Garlinghouse further said this to Butcher, "So if XRP is a security, it's a security for what?" He also said about Coinbase, how the exchange platform affects the price of XRP and if they will ever list XRP. The CEO of Ripple said, "So does that mean XRP is the security of Coinbase or Ripple?" Garlinghouse ended by saying Ripple is not a security and that XRP is different from Ripple. What is in for Ripple and its hodlers if it is declared a security nonetheless? There have been many speculations that if Ripple becomes a security, its value will be on the downside and would repeat Garlinghouse's statements that Ripple is different from XRP. If Ripple is declared a security by SEC, they, Ripple, won't be that unhappy. There are reasons behind that. First, we shouldn't forget that last year, the Wall Street pleaded for a Ripple IPO. So if Ripple is declared a security, the Wall Street would be happy about that, due to the fact that Ripple will feature on local exchange platforms in New York, Singapore, etc., and SEC will have a complete hold of Ripple. And that will be to the advantage of Ripple because local trading platforms will want to bank on Ripple after being declared a security, and that would bring a surge to its current market capitalization. There is also a high possibility that the market capitalization of Ripple will attain a high 20 times more than it has now. Subsequently, investors should not discard or sell their tokens when Ripple gets declared a security because, as said earlier, Ripple will still attract more local exchanges and hence, the market cap would increase, thus, making investors to benefit as bond hodlers even though they may be charged for cashing out.